Me and James and Aliki and Issa, who are two other CET students, the four of us are working on a violation of the Bell inequality.
So we're essentially using a laser photon source and some bulk optics to produce entangled photons, which will then run through a series of detectors in order to try and detect the violation.
I come from a theoretical physics background, so I've only done first and second year of basic undergrad lab. So personally, I don't have much lab experience, and coming in here was difficult at first to adjust, but some of my course mates had a lot more lab experience than I did, so they helped me a lot, and I know what half-wave play is now, which is nice.
I think one of the really nice things about the CDT setup is that there's a really diverse background of people. So I don't come from a physics background. My background is like material science and engineering. So although I have experience in like manufacturing and materials, I've never done a bulk optics experiment, but there's some other people that we've been paired up with who are quite experienced in that area. So they've been really good in like guiding us. We've obviously had supervision from supervisors as well. But yeah, it's been a really good experience, and I feel like I'll be able to use it a lot in the future. The lab is definitely a contrast to the modules that we take, and I think the whole structure of the CDT really does take into account, again, the diverse backgrounds that everyone comes from. So there's like theoretical modules in like quantum light and matter, and there's quantum information, and all the different types of courses very much fill in the gaps of all the different people, because everyone else is going to have different gaps.
Coming from theoretical physics, I still feel like I will continue on to do a PhD in theory, but it's been great really coming into the lab to be able to get your hands on something physical. I feel like that helps you appreciate the wider field a bit better.
I've really enjoyed my experience as a CDT so far. I feel like I've learned an insane amount of information. It's been really fun kind of just absorbing the information of so many experts around me.
On top of like all of the content that I've learned and all of the experience that I've gained, I just feel like our cohort is a massive family, and I love the staff, I love everyone in my cohort. Everyone's been really supportive throughout my journey here, and I'm really looking forward to next year.